Did you know that tiny changes on your plate can loosen stiff joints? Many seniors feel trapped by arthritis pain. Walking hurts. Climbing stairs feels risky. Bottles of pills pile up on the table. Yet food, especially plant protein, can become gentle medicine. Today, you will learn about 5 easy plant proteins that calm swollen joints, feed muscles, and brighten mood. They cost little, cook fast, and fit right into your day. No strange powders or special kitchen tools are needed. Just simple foods you can buy in any market and start using tonight. Arthritis means inflamed joints. When joints are angry, they swell, heat up, and ache. Modern drugs can block that fire, but side effects often follow. Drowsiness appears. The stomach burns. Blood pressure rises. That is why many seniors ask for a safer way. Diet is the answer. Certain foods quiet the same chemical signals that pills target. Plant proteins rank high on that list because they come packed with extra fiber, vitamins, minerals, and helpful plant chemicals. These extras act like tiny firefighters inside every cell. Animal protein has value, but it can bring more saturated fat. Saturated fat feeds inflammation and adds weight, and extra weight puts stress on sore knees and hips. Plant proteins flip the story. They provide protein without heavy fat. They add fiber that sweeps waste from the gut. A cleaner gut makes fewer inflammatory chemicals. They also deliver antioxidants that protect bones and blood vessels. Eating more plants is not just less meat. It is more color, more crunch, and more healing. The first star food is lentils. Lentils are small beans that come in red, green, brown, and black. They do not need soaking. A cup cooks in 20 minutes. That single cup gives 18 grams of protein and almost half your day's fiber. Fiber helps move waste out of the body and keeps blood sugar steady. Lentils also carry folate and iron, 2 nutrients important for healthy cartilage. Cooking lentils is simple. Rinse 1 cup of lentils, add 3 cups of water and a pinch of turmeric, then simmer until soft. Add spinach right at the end for extra vitamin C. You can serve lentils over brown rice in a thick soup or chilled in a salad. The taste is gentle and easy to season with herbs. Next come chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans. 1 cooked cup of chickpeas holds about 15 grams of protein. Chickpeas contain special plant compounds that calm the enzymes responsible for swelling. They also keep blood sugar from spiking, which is important because sugar peaks can trigger inflammatory messages in the body. You can enjoy chickpeas straight from a can after rinsing off the salt. To make a quick, crunchy snack, pat them dry, toss with olive oil, cumin and paprika, and bake until crisp. For a smooth sandwich filling, mash chickpeas with ripe avocado, lemon juice, and a bit of pepper. Spread this mix on whole grain bread or scoop it with sliced cucumbers. The third food on our list is quinoa. Quinoa is not a true grain. It is a seed that acts like one. Unlike rice or wheat, quinoa offers all 9 essential amino acids in good amounts, so it is called a complete protein. 1 cup of cooked quinoa supplies 8 grams of protein, plus valuable magnesium and manganese. Magnesium relaxes tight muscles around painful joints. Quinoa also carries antioxidants that lower harmful nitric oxide. To prepare quinoa, rinse it well under cold water to remove bitterness. Cook 1 cup of quinoa in 2 cups of water until the seed looks fluffy and a small ring appears. Mix with chopped bell pepper, parsley, and a spoon of olive oil for a bright, filling lunch. Fourth on the list are chia seeds. These tiny seeds deliver a big gift omega-3 fat in plant form, called alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3 fats block substances that spark joint swelling. 2 tablespoons of chia provide 4 grams of protein, plenty of fiber, and more calcium than a glass of milk. When soaked, chia seeds form a soft gel that aids digestion. For a simple breakfast, stir 2 tablespoons of chia into a cup of unsweetened almond milk with a pinch of cinnamon. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. By morning, you have a gentle pudding. Top with fresh berries for color. Seniors who forget to drink enough water can add a teaspoon of chia to a water bottle. The floating seeds remind you to sip all day. The last powerhouse is walnuts. Walnuts bring plant-based omega-3 fats, protein, and natural melatonin, which supports deep sleep. Sleep is when the body repairs tissue. Walnuts also contain antioxidants that guard collagen from breakdown. A small handful each day, about 7 walnut halves, is all you need. Eat them plain, mix them into oatmeal, or crumble them over steamed vegetables. Keep walnuts in the freezer so their healthy oils stay fresh. Putting these foods together is simple. A sample menu could look like this. Breakfast is chia pudding with blueberries and crushed walnuts. Lunch is a quinoa salad with chopped vegetables and chickpeas dressed with olive oil and lemon. Snack on roasted chickpeas or walnuts with apple slices. Dinner is a lentil and spinach curry served over brown rice. Dessert can be 1 square of dark chocolate. This day of eating gives over 50 grams of protein and fills the body with joint-friendly nutrients. Good food needs good water. Dry tissue inflames easily, so drink 6 to 8 glasses of water, herbal tea or warm lemon water. Spice also matters. Turmeric, ginger, garlic, and black pepper can block pain enzymes much like popular pills, but without damaging the stomach lining. Cooking method plays a role too. Steaming and boiling preserve nutrients and avoid the harmful compounds that form during deep frying. Protein repairs tissue, but movement guides the repair. After meals, take a short walk. Gentle motion sends fresh blood to cartilage and washes away waste. Try simple chair yoga or slow ankle circles while watching television. Use small hand weights or stretchy bands 3 times a week. Even 10 minutes of light strength work tells the body to use the protein you eat to rebuild muscle instead of letting it pass by unused. If gas from beans is a worry, add a pinch of cumin or a spice called asafoetida while cooking. These spices reduce the gas-forming sugars. Rinse canned beans under running water for 30 seconds to remove about 40% of the salt. Batch cook lentils and quinoa on a weekend. Store them in sealed jars for the week. This habit saves time and makes healthy choice the easy choice when you feel hungry or tired. Many seniors wonder, will I get enough protein without meat? The answer is yes. Experts suggest seniors aim for about 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. For a person weighing 65 kilograms, that is roughly 65 to 78 grams. 2 cups of lentils, 1 cup of quinoa, 2 tablespoons of chia, and a handful of walnuts already meet most of that goal. If you enjoy tofu or tempeh, add them too. They give complete protein and plant compounds that protect bones. You can still eat fish or chicken if you like them. The key is to lift the share of plant protein on the plate and let animal foods play a small role. Changing habits can feel big. Start small. Pick 1 new plant protein this week and use it twice. When it feels normal, add another. Write a quick note on your fridge as a reminder. Protein choice of the week. Lentils. Shop with a short list so you do not feel lost at the store. Keep roasted chickpeas or small walnut packs in your bag for outings. Healthy snacks at hand prevent impulse buys of sugary treats that stir inflammation. Let us review the most important points in straight, clear sentences. Lentils give clean protein and large amounts of fiber. Fiber moves waste out and keeps the gut calm. Chickpeas lower blood sugar peaks that can trigger swelling. Quinoa provides complete protein plus magnesium that relaxes tight muscles. Chia seeds supply plant omega-3 and help you stay hydrated. Walnuts deliver healthy fat and antioxidants while supporting good sleep. Together, these foods form a strong shield against arthritis pain. Use gentle cooking methods. Add water and spices. Move your body a little after each meal. Keep portions bright with color. Color signals antioxidants. Aim for a rainbow on your plate every day. Remember to drink water. Dry joints hurt more. Stretch, walk, breathe deeply, and enjoy your meals. Small steps build the path to relief. You now have a simple, powerful plan to soothe arthritis pain naturally. 5 ordinary foods can help you stand, walk, garden, or play with grandchildren with less discomfort. Try one today. Notice how you feel tomorrow. Keep moving forward, one easy meal at a time. Your joints will thank you, and your whole body will feel lighter, stronger, and more alive.